subscribe, and then comment below. Then comment below your name. Then I upload here on YouTube. Just see pan signs, and then just go to my channel to view the pan signs.